Hi, welcome to Just. Ooh, the bed's squeaking. It's creepy season. Hi, welcome to Dress Up Terrace channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how I create my Halloween costumes. Since I did this video last year, 2018, but it was like such a last minute thing, and I was not able to upload it. So I saved this video for this year, 2019. I want to share this video with everyone, so this will be like a Halloween costume on a budget. Like, I like to dress up cute. Like, even though Halloween, like, people like to dress up like cute and sexy, I don't see nothing wrong with that, but who doesn't like to dress up? So there's always been like one little hater be like, I dress up like a hoe on Halloween. It's like, don't let that stop you. You can still look cute on a budget. When I see like a cute outfit, I'm like, ooh, that's cute, I'll flaunt that outfit. This is my video how to create a Halloween costume DIY on a budget. To begin with, the first outfit that I'm creating is the unicorn costume. The items that I got here to make the unicorn are the cat ears that I bought from Forever 21 for like $2.50, and the unicorn horn that I bought from the 99-cent store, and it costed 99 cents. And also I bought the felted fabric. I bought it from Joann's craft store for $1.50, I believe. If you are planning to do this, make sure you buy the felted fabric from Walmart. It's much cheaper, and I think it's like 59 cents. Moving on, I cut the strands with the scissors and get some I just grabbed a white ruffled dress from my closet and a pink wig that I bought from Amazon, and here is my DIY unicorn outfit. Isn't it adorable? The second Halloween costume that I will be making is a mummy. This is my favorite costume. First, buy some bandage rolls, and I got mine from the 99-cent store, and also safety pins from Walmart, and it costed $1. I am wearing a black crop top and a black skirt. Then I will start unrolling the bandages on the outfit for this top. So for the top, I start with the bandage rolls from at the end of the strand. You can tuck it in or you could put a safety pin, but in the video I tuck it in. So when I do my skirt, I start from the top and then go down. Once that I'm at the end of the strand, I grab a safety pin and pin it. To hide the safety pin, I just grab another bandage rolls and cover the safety pin on top of it and do the same thing for the next bandage roll. I only use 3 boxes for the bandage rolls. So this is my mummy outfit. I also added golden bracelet to give it like an Egyptian mummy look. I definitely love this DIY Hoelloween costume because it's cute and sexy and very cheap and affordable. The last costume that I will be creating is a Starbucks Frappuccino Cup. I just start printing out the Starbucks logo and roll up 2 pieces of tape and put it on the beige belt that I'm wearing. I also want to mention that I bought this dress at Forever 21 for like $10. A big bow. Okay. Just hold on. Okay, now I remember what I have to do. So you're gonna keep folding it since, okay, we're gonna start like this. Since it's this long, we're gonna keep on folding it. It's like a shiny bright tool, like it's transparent, so we're gonna make it like, we're gonna keep on folding it until we can see like this. We don't need like a plain one, we need like something like we can see everything. So we're just gonna have it like this, like this, like almost the size of your hand. Is it bigger in my hand? It's a little bit bigger than my hand. So we're gonna put like this, and then we're gonna use this, and we're gonna put it in the middle. And we're gonna tie it up like a bow. Make sure the strands are even in order to tie it up. I know it's a sucky lighting, I can do nothing about it. But I gotta work with what I have, so we're gonna do this and just tie it like it has to be shaped of a bow. Okay? And then we're gonna wrap around this. We're gonna keep wrapping it around, okay? And then from right here, since this little sticking out, we're gonna put super glue. I mean E6000, since this is sticking out, so E6000 glue, so make sure it's like a bow. Okay, let me get E6000 glue. I got the E6000 glue, so I'm just gonna open that up and pour a little bit so it could be, so everything could be intact. Okay, this thing does not want to open because of the glue. So if you don't have E6000 glue, you're just gonna put this up and keep on tying it like super tight, and then we're gonna start cutting the edges. So we'll get some scissors and start cutting, like since everything this is all folded, we're just gonna go like this. Rough it up a little bit, just because all it folded, just open it up and just fluff it. Like make it into like a little ball, so just do this, play with it, you know, just play with it. Since I'm already done with this, and just make sure just fluff it. Make it like a little ball and just fluff it. You could still keep on cutting it and make it like the whipped cream, you know? So just fluff it up. And then where the bow is at, where we tie the bow, the little strand here, right here, like right here, this part, like this strand, we're gonna put the hairpin. Get one of these. You could get this anywhere like Walmart and Amazon, and just glue it with hot glue and get a felted fabric, and then you're just gonna glue it on there, and then you'll have your whipped cream for your frappuccino. And if there's gaps here, right here, you could always use hot glue gun or E6000 glue, and just so it could be like a little ball shape instead of having like this. So you could be like a little ball shape. and it'll be like that. Okay? Wow, this is a really big whipped cream. And then I'm going to show you the next step, which I did record a year ago. Cream, and this is my Starbucks Frappuccino. I appreciate you all for watching my DIY Halloween costumes. Please make sure you like and subscribe. So thank you. Next.